Thailand is making headlines again, and this time it's about its entry rules. Reports have suggested that Thailand could replace visa-free entry with visa on arrival for some travelers. But what does that actually mean, and should tourists be worried? Let's break it down. Visa-free entry and visa on arrival are not the same. With visa-free travel, eligible visitors can simply arrive at the airport, present their passport, and enter the country without applying for a visa. Visa on arrival is different. Travelers must apply for a visa when they land, pay the required fee if applicable, and receive approval before entering Thailand. This can take more time than visa-free entry. Why would Thailand consider such a change? Officials have expressed concerns that some visitors are using visa-free entry for purposes other than tourism, including unauthorized work and long-term stays. The government also wants better control over who enters the country while continuing to support tourism. For genuine tourists, the overall travel experience is expected to remain straightforward. However, travelers should always check the latest entry requirements before booking their flights. Visa policies can change depending on your nationality and government decisions. The most important thing is to rely on official announcements rather than rumors circulating on social media. So, is Thailand closing its doors to tourists? Not at all. Thailand continues to welcome millions of international visitors every year and remains one of Asia's most popular travel destinations. The goal of any new policy is to improve immigration management, not to discourage tourism. If you're planning a trip, stay informed, prepare your travel documents in advance, and check the latest immigration rules before departure. With the right preparation, your journey to Thailand should still be smooth and enjoyable. Safe travels and enjoy everything the land of smiles has to offer.